Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your lock screen clock format. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. First you have to click the settings and then you have to click on lock screen, and here you can see lock screen clock format. You have to click on that, and now this is how you can change your clock. Like I'm liking this one, so I gave because here we can see the dates and all everything, so I'm liking this one, so I'm giving it as my lock screen. So that's it, your icon is changed, like your lock screen clock is changed. So that's how you can change your lock screen clock. And guys, we are giving regular how to info videos. Like we in these videos we are teaching you guys how to do simple to advanced things. So hope you guys will subscribe our channel. Like most of the people don't subscribe the channel, and just after seeing video just go. Just please guys, I have a request: subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and just click that clock button, and so that you can get whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification, because we are uploading informative good videos that will help you to know a lot of things about your devices, Android, and also same as well as some apps, and also the apps you know but you don't know how to use those two we are covering, and also those apps which you don't know. So I hope our videos will help you guys. So thanks for watching this video, and I will come up another interesting video with an interesting topic. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share, and subscribe to this channel.